In every room you enter, a silent story goes in before you. That story is your reputation. It decides whether people lean in to listen, or quietly close the door in their minds. In The 48 Laws of Power, Law 5 is brutally clear: so much depends on reputation, guard it with your life. Your name is more than just letters, it is a shortcut people use to judge your character, your strength, and your value, often before you speak a single word. In this episode of Just Here, Audiobook, you are going to dive deep into Law 5. You will hear why reputation is called the cornerstone of power, how it can win battles before they begin, and how a careless moment can destroy what took years to build. Listen with the question in mind: what is my name saying about me when I am not in the room? 1. Simple definition of Law 5. Law 5 from The 48 Laws of Power says, so much depends on reputation, guard it with your life. The core idea is that your reputation is the foundation of your power. It shapes how people treat you before you even open your mouth. A strong reputation can win you trust, opportunities, and even victory without a fight, while a damaged name makes you exposed and weak. 2. Why reputation is invisible power. Reputation is like invisible armor that surrounds you. People see your name and already decide what to expect from you. Perception often matters more than reality. Even if you are skilled, people will ignore you if they do not respect your name. At the same time, a respected reputation can protect you when you make mistakes, because people assume this is not like you, and give you another chance. 3. How a strong reputation works for you. It creates a shortcut in people's minds. Your past wins make them believe you will keep winning, so they trust your decisions faster. It can intimidate opponents. Sometimes your name alone makes others hesitate, retreat, or negotiate from a weaker position. It attracts allies and opportunities, because people want to be associated with someone who looks reliable, competent, or powerful. 4. The danger of a weak or damaged reputation. When your reputation is shaky, people doubt your motives and judge you harshly, even when you are right. A single scandal or repeated small careless acts can create a label around your name that is very hard to remove. Once doubts start spreading about you, it multiplies quickly. Every mistake becomes proof of that negative story. 5. Key message: always be on guard. Law 5 says you must always stay alert to attacks on your reputation and stop them early, before they grow. This means paying attention to what is being said about you, how you appear publicly, and how your actions might be interpreted. Protecting your name is not about ego, it is about protecting your long-term options, influence, and safety. 6. How to build a powerful reputation. You can break this into practical steps. Choose what you want to be known for: reliability, calm thinking, honesty, creativity, or results. Align your actions with that image every day so people see a clear, consistent pattern in you. Start small, keep promises, deliver on time, and behave the same way in public and in private situations. 7. How to protect your reputation. Avoid unnecessary drama, gossip, and public fights that drag your name into the mud. When someone spreads lies or twisted stories about you, respond calmly but firmly with facts or with visible, consistent behavior that contradicts the rumor. Do not overreact emotionally. Panicking or attacking wildly can make you look guilty or insecure, which harms your image even more. 8. Using reputation as a strategic tool. Law 5 is not only defensive, it is also about using reputation offensively in the power game. By subtly exposing the weaknesses or hypocrisy in an opponent's reputation, you can make others doubt them while you stay in the background. You do not need to lie. Sometimes just highlighting patterns, asking questions, or letting true stories spread is enough to damage a rival's image. 9. Modern interpretation and ethics. Some people feel this law is manipulative, but the truth is, even if you ignore reputation, others will still judge you and use your name. The healthiest way to apply Law 5 is to build your reputation on real strengths and genuine character, then protect that alignment from distortion. When your reputation and your true self match, guarding your name is not fake, it is simply defending the truth about who you are. 10. Everyday examples your audience can relate to. You can stretch this section with stories and reflections. At work, the colleague known for always meeting deadlines gets more trust and responsibility than the one who is talented but inconsistent. In relationships, someone known for keeping confidences is trusted with secrets, someone known for gossip is shut out of deeper conversations. Online. One careless post, scandal, or public argument can stick to your name for years, affecting jobs, partnerships, and respect. 11. Final takeaway for the listener. Remind the listener that their reputation is speaking for them right now, in places they cannot see. Encourage them to ask, what is my name known for today, and what do I want it to be known for 5 or 10 years from now? Close with the line of the law itself. So much depends on your reputation, guard it with your life, and invite them to live the next days more consciously of the story their name is telling. Your skills matter. Your intentions matter. But in the real world, people usually move based on the picture they already carry of you in their mind, your reputation. Law 5 reminds you that this picture can be your greatest asset or your quiet enemy. So as you step back into your day, remember, every promise kept, every word spoken, every conflict handled is either strengthening or weakening your name. Do not leave that to chance. Shape it. Protect it. Guard it with your life. You have been listening to Law 5, So Much Depends on Reputation, Guard It With Your Life, on Just Here, Audiobook. If this law hit you, carry it into your next conversation and let your reputation start working for you, not against you.